Hi, I'm Andrea and welcome back to Style for Life. So today I'm going to do a quick unboxing, and it's a true unboxing. I bought these items literally, I want to say 2 weeks ago. It's been on my wish list, so I finally got them. And I'm waiting for one more enamel bracelet from Hermes to do my enamel Hermes collection, because I've done the Click Clack and Click H. I've done the leather bracelets and also leather accessories, and I'm just waiting for one more bracelet to do the enamel bracelets or bangles. I think that they call those bangles. Yeah. So today I have two Hermes items to unbox with you. I hope this video goes without any blunders or bloopers, because I don't know how to tie them back in this pretty bow that they have here. So yeah. So before we get started, today I'm wearing this lovely, make sure you're right, this lovely Furla scarf. Furla makes really beautiful scarf, and Furla is an Italian company. So this is a lovely Furla scarf and a Ralph Lauren top, and I'm just wearing some black jeans that are kind of cute with their little ripped in the knee. And let me see if I can step back and show you. You probably can't see it, but there we go. And yeah, so my daughter and I are spending some time today because she is home from school, so we're going to do some mommy-daughter things today. So the first item I'd like to show you comes in this box. True unboxing, my very first. So let's do it together. Here we go. And of course you get the Hermes receipt in this lovely envelope, and it's right in here, but I won't show it because it probably has my information on it. So here it is, and let's see, it is lovely, bring it up. Oh, the color is beautiful. This is my lovely Bastia in the cactus color. I absolutely love it. Now I have three. One in the electric blue, one in the Etoupe color, as you saw on my Hermes leather accessory video, and this is in the cactus color. It's lovely. It's so beautiful. Smells of leather. It is simply lovely. Opening it up for you right there. It is much softer. I have to ask my essay what leather this is made from, in terms of, is it goat, is it calf? It's very soft, and this is the information here. It's see here, 230. I have my reading glasses on here. 235. 235. That's what it is right there. And oh, so it is calf skin. Okay, calf skin, and I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, yes. So this is what it looks like. It's beautiful, very soft, buttery soft. Very nice. So this is my other Bastia that I'll be using. I love these. These fit perfectly in your smaller handbags and your larger handbags too. You can use them for coins, earbuds, credit cards, just a lot of different things. I learned of this color from Pink Butterfly Girl. She had this color on one of her, I believe, monthly favorites, and I said I have to get that color. I wanted another one, but I just didn't know what color I wanted. But when I saw the color that she showed on her channel, I just fell in love with the color. I also saw this color on, I think it's their catalog that they sent to me, or the website as well, but it is so beautiful. So that is my first item. It is the Hermes Bastia in the cactus color. So I'll put this one back, and we'll wrap that up later. And the next item, here it is. The next item from Hermes comes in this box. I just love the way they wrap it. I wish I could just learn that to wrap them back, but this is what it looks like. Box. My essay called me one day, and she said that some people were coming in to engrave perfumes, and this is from the Essence line. And oh my goodness, so this is what it looks like. These are the perfumes from the Essence line, and the perfumes that I got were Cedric Sambach and Egalatine. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing it right, but you know, that's close enough. You'll know. So this is what it looks like. And then they engraved my initial, Andrea, right there. Can you see that? Andrea. Oh, that is so beautiful. Oh my word. So there it is. I don't know how I'm going to know which one is which, but let's see. I can't tell right now. Let's spray it. The Cedric Sambac it has more of a stronger scent, I think. Yes, this one's more floral. I think this is, oh, I'm showing it to you like it's a, see, there's a blooper. I'm showing it to you as if you can see the scent. But I'm just going to let that go. Cedric Sambac, I don't think you can be able to see it. Let me see. No, this is not the Cedric Sambac. I'm sorry. This is the Mirth Egalatine. That's right. This one is more floral. Floral. So you see the Mirth Egalatine right there. And let's see if I can show you a Cedric Sambac. So I'll put this one back here. And then we'll see. This one says Andrea. There we go. And I have 4 of them. They come in a set of 4. Yes, and this one is the Cedric Sambac. I don't know if you're going to be able to see with the light, but this one is the Cedric Sambac. And I'll spray this on the other wrist. Yes, now the Cedric Sambac is more oud, a deeper sense, woodsy, like frankincense. It's just a deeper Mediterranean oud scent, and then the Mirth Egalantine is more floral, more of a floral, lighter, woodsy scent. They're both so beautiful and they both smell so lovely on me. So I got a set of 4. You could get any 4. They come in a different scents as well. I can't remember all the names for it, but you can choose 4, excluding Twilly. Twilly is not included in this essence line. So you can ask your essay, what are the names of the fragrances and the notes, and you can also look the notes up online, of course, and then go in the store or have her send you some samples of what they smell like, as my essay sent me a ton of samples, and I was able to see which ones smell better on my body chemistry. And these 2 are the ones that are my absolute favorite. They also have a rose one that I love as well, but it wasn't as strong. I do really love these. So you get a set of 4, and they come in these lovely pouches. So I bought 2 Egalantine and 2 Cedric Sambac. They're perfect for travel. And that weekend they were having free engravings. So she called me and she said, before I ship it out to you, would you like me to engrave the bottles for you to make it more personalized? And I absolutely said yes, and she sent them to me, and they come looking like this in the box. Let me hold it up right. Absolutely beautiful. Let me see if I can open. All the bottles are going to look the same, but yeah, so this is what they look like. All 4 of them will look like this, and I couldn't be happier. Oh my goodness. So that's my quick unboxing of my Bastia and my Mirth Egalantine and Cedric Sambac perfumes from Hermes. So thank you for joining me today. I certainly appreciate it. You have a very blessed day. Bye-bye.